In this video of the Crown ComTech D Series video manuals series, we're going to talk about the various indicators on the front of the amplifier used to monitor the amp's health. The lights across the top of the front panel are the channel LED indicators, and there is one indicator per channel. These LEDs will be off when the output signal is below -50 dBu. When a healthy signal above 50 dBu is detected, the LED will be solid green. If the LED is amber, then limiting is being applied to the output signal. A red LED will indicate that the channel's output signal is clipping, and a flashing red LED will indicate that the amp's channel is faulty. There are 3 LED indicators on the bottom row of each amplifier's front panel. The leftmost indicator is the data network indicator. It will be off if there is no network connection. Solid yellow if the network is connected with no match in the software, and solid blue if the network is connected and the amp is successfully matched in the software. The middle indicator is the digital audio or Dante indicator. A solid yellow LED means that the amp is booting or syncing to the digital signal, while a flashing yellow LED means that there is a sync failure. A solid green LED means that the boot and sync are okay. If this indicator is solid red, then there is a hardware failure. A flashing red LED means that there are dropped or corrupt packets during transmission. We'll cover some basic Dante troubleshooting in a different video. The rightmost indicator is the health indicator. This indicator is green under normal operating conditions, indicating that everything is okay. A solid yellow indicator means that the thermal limiting is occurring. A solid red indicator means that either there is some sort of hardware failure or fault on the power supply. A flashing red indicator means that there is either a pilot tone or load monitoring error. The power button LED indicator can also tell us a few things. It should be solid green when on and under normal operating conditions. A red indicator means that there's a fault with the amplifier. If this indicator is off, then there is no power reaching the amplifier. If this indicator is blue and flashing, then power is making it to the amp, but it's not powered on. This indicator will breathe or slowly pulse when the amp is in sleep mode. If all the indicators on the front of the amp are flashing in sync, then the locate feature is active on the amp. If you're still having issues with your amp, then give us a call or start a chat with us from our Anytime Help Center. For more news, product information, and troubleshooting tips, visit us at crownaudio.com or our Anytime Help Center at help.harmanpro.com.